President Trump said Congress is working on another stimulus package that could include a second round of testing for Americans struggling in the pandemic. Trump said he hoped the stimulus package will soon be completed. He didn't say how much people could get or who would qualify, but at the beginning of the week, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said Mr. Khan wanted to see a second round of payments for those who made $40,000 a year or less. "I think the ones most affected are those who make about $40,000 a year or less," Mitch McConnell said. "And many of them work in the hotel industry." Congress is currently on hold and will bring the issue back to the meeting on July 20th. Here are more pandemic headlines. 19 states, including Alabama, are currently on the NY quarantine list. 3 more states have joined Alabama and New York's quarantine list. Governor Andrew Cuomo added Delaware, Kansas and Oklahoma to the third list. Travelers from states to New York must stay in isolation for 14 days. As countries across the country experience increased community, New York is acting to ensure the continued safety of our phased opening, according to Cuomo. "Our entire response to this pandemic is due to the numbers, and we have set the numbers for community spread just as we set the numbers for everything." The quarantine is currently applied to residents from Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, California, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Idaho, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, North Carolina, Nevada, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas and Utah. Octoberfest canceled. A staple of the fall of North Alabama was canceled. Redstone Arsenal Family and NWR announced they canceled the 25th annual October Festival scheduled for September 17th to 20th. "Hopefully we can celebrate a smaller type of celebration later this year, but we have determined it is best to avoid being cautious at the moment when it comes to community safety and happiness. Like us," the Belgian official said. Florida Gov. Safe amusement park. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis said Florida theme parks are safe places, although the number of outbreaks is increasing in the state. Universal Orlando reopened on June 5. Disney World is set to reopen the Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom on Saturday, followed by Epcot and Disney Hollywood Studios on July 15. Busch Gardens and SeaWorld open the door. DeSantis credits the pandemic rules for park safety. "People are in a safe environment," he said. Texas sets a state record. Texas reported more than 10,000 new pandemic cases on Tuesday, topping the previous record of 8,258 just days earlier. At 8,000 hospitalizations also reached a record high. Facilities in 2 counties, Hidalgo and Starr, ran out of capacity. Elective surgery and procedures were suspended in 8 counties due to severe hospital needs. Texas has 2,715 deaths from the pandemic.